Hi, welcome to my channel. On this occasion, I will give tutorial on how to make paper crane bird origami cartoon. Follow the step. First, draw the neck, then continue with the top that is tapered. After that, we give a pointed tail, then wings on the left. Then keep the head, and continue drawing the wings next to it. Now it's time for us to color. We give pink color to all our origami. And finally, give highlight with dusty pink color. And this is Paper Crane Bird Origami. Thank you for watching. For other video you can see on our YouTube channel. See you!